is just a tiny little area just on the well, a stone's throw from the town centre of Launceston. As you can see, you've got the castle here, you can almost see who's in there, and I've got a Cornish flag above me here as well. And the bungalow here is 3 bedrooms, because they've made the roof area into a lovely bedroom with an ensuite facility there, lovely big bath, corner bath in there, and you've got windows that you can see, the skylight windows that you can see out and see what the weather's doing, and when you stand on your tiptoes you can see the view as well. Internally downstairs you've got a relatively new kitchen, you've got that leads into a lovely dining room come breakfast area. Then you've got a conservatory on the back of the study, which is bedroom 2, or a beautiful living room that also enjoys this view. There's also a downstairs bathroom as well, so lots to be said for this property, and it's a bungalow close to town. So give us a call when you've looked at the video and see if you'd like to come and view.